Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll guide you through how to write a teacher evaluation request letter. This letter is an important document that helps assess a teacher's performance and contributions to the academic environment. You will begin by including your personal details, such as your name, address, city, state, zip code, and the date, at the top of the letter. Below this, you will add the recipient's information, including their name, school address, and the corresponding city, state, and zip code. The subject of the letter clearly states that you are requesting a teacher evaluation. In the greeting, you will address the recipient directly with "Dear Recipient's name," maintaining a professional and respectful tone. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request an evaluation for teacher's name, who has been an integral part of school name's faculty. Their dedication to student success, innovative teaching methods, and commitment to fostering a positive learning environment have significantly contributed to the academic growth of students. As part of the ongoing efforts to enhance educational standards, I believe a thorough evaluation will provide valuable insights into their performance and areas for further professional development. I kindly request that you initiate the evaluation process at your earliest convenience. Please let me know if any additional information or documentation is required to facilitate this request. I appreciate your time and consideration in this matter and look forward to your response. Sincerely, your name, your email, your phone number." Here's our sample teacher evaluation request letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines your request for a formal evaluation, highlights the teacher's contributions to the academic environment, and explains why the evaluation is important for their professional growth. The letter also includes key details such as the teacher's dedication, teaching methods, and the value of assessing their performance. By following this format step by step, you can craft a professional and respectful request that effectively communicates your reasons for seeking the evaluation. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing professional letters.